Welcome back to the channel, guys. Can you guys see the dragonfly drinking water? That is amazing. I didn't know that that's how dragonflies actually come up and drink water, but this is like one of a kind sights because I have never ever seen that behavior before. I mean, I don't want to say this is rare or anything, but after all these years here, I have never seen that before. Wow. And actually, can you guys see every time it hits the water, it shoots it like over there. You see over there? See, like drop by drop, she's shooting it over there. That is remarkable. Well, now it's stopped. It's just hovering over it. See what it does next. Well, there's another dragonfly there. Well, now they're chasing each other. But guys, that is some there it goes again, see? I've got to research whether this is behavior for it to actually drink the water, or one of the chicks is getting interested in that too. Well, in any case, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just hanging out here in my hammock. I'm about to clean out some more territory, as you guys can see there. I've cleaned all that out. And yeah, just taking a little break. But yeah, that was some odd behavior there. I have never seen that before, guys. Yeah, I have to research a little more about dragonflies and stuff. I've never been bitten by one. The people say that you always get bitten by one and stuff, but I've never been bitten one. And then I've come to like eye to eye with a number of them. But they're just, at least here in the Amazon, they're not aggressive. Well, in any case, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from the Amazon.